Money transfer apps let you transfer cash from person to person, or from entity to entity, quickly, conveniently, cheaply, and securely. They simplify payments and also allow you to use a digital wallet to link your credit card or bank account. You can make electronic transactions and payments with just a few taps on a mobile device. With several money transfer apps that are now outside like PayPal, Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, and many others are very useful in quick online transactions. Zelle is an amazing transfer app that sends money between banks. And saying this, some people should be curiously asking if Zelle does work with PayPal. Well, we will be showing you that in this video today. We will be back after the short intro. It is true that Zelle works by linking banks together, and sends money between banks with little or no fee, but with PayPal, Zelle does not accept PayPal. And so, to use Zelle and PayPal together, you will have to send money to your bank account first before sending it to the desired destination. And so, we will start by showing you how to link your Zelle and your PayPal account to your bank account to ease transfer. To link Zelle to bank account. 1. Log in to your Zelle account. 2. Navigate to the settings area. 3. Choose Add Bank from the menu. 4. Then complete the process by completing the application's on-screen directions. To link PayPal to the same bank account. 1. Log in to PayPal and go to Money. 2. Click Link a Bank. In the app, select Banks and Cards that is in the menu. 3. Search for your bank or pick it from the list. 4. To instantly link your bank account with your PayPal account, enter your online banking information. 5. Choose Link your bank another way at the bottom of the page as an alternative. After providing your bank information, click Agree and Link. After you have done this, you will just be one step away from having the cash in your desired destination. Well, we won't explain to you the transfer method since we have provided the full transfer method in our written article with the link provided to you in the description below. Apart from that, you just have to know that at this point, you just have to send money from Zelle to bank account, and from bank account to PayPal and vice versa. And after doing that, you will have your cash in your account. And so, this is the end of this tutorial video, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button and the bell to receive frequent updates from all uploaded videos in this channel.